My name is Logan. I'm from Moreno, West Virginia. I had the All-in-X implant procedure done here at Shady Springs. The dental problems I've gone through honestly were major through life. I believe it's the frog mouth treatment that's getting done when you're younger. I ended up losing my teeth somewhere between age 16 to 18, falling out, tooth decay, you name it, I had it. Due to those, my daily life, honestly, I didn't really notice too much personally until after the procedure was done, but my amount of energy and social interaction, critically low. People might not notice, might not care, but just the feeling of if I open my mouth too much, being so young and nothing being there, oh, it's terrifying.
All-in-X was the right solution for Logan because he had gone years as a young man without any upper teeth. He wasn't even wearing a denture. So when he had learned about, the different options, he wanted something that didn't come in and out, and All-in-X was the perfect option for Logan.
I finally decided to fix my smile when I finally ended up getting the drive to go into the dating scene, and God, that is brutal with no teeth. After about 3 or 4 meetups and so on that just tended to go bad due to lack of confidence or just the gnawing thought of my smile is awful. They're seeing gum, if anything at all, got me looking into a treatment. I ended up deciding on Shady Spring Dental due to their care, 2 doctors taking care of you during the surgery, the dental plan being able to keep your teeth in 24/7, no popping them out, no so on and dealing with them.
What we noticed about Logan after his new smile was he just really opened up. Logan was the first guy that after surgery wanted a picture with me and Dr. Heener, which we thought was great. So we've seen his personality just grow and him really open up since he's had his All-in-X surgery.
After the procedure has been done, it's been 2 months now, but even in these 2 months, the amount of energy I have, the social, being able to go out into public, talking to people, God, it a whole other side of a coin. I truthfully believe with people that are, sitting there debating, if your teeth are truthfully bad, you hide it. You always do, but it's always there on what could be better, what could not. I was a recluse sitting in my house playing video games 24/7 because I didn't have to deal with people. They couldn't see me through the mic. I can actually go out, do tabletops, run tournaments, all this other world. It has completely changed my life. It's given me an entire social aspect, and I highly recommend you do the same.
These cases are the most rewarding to us because of the way it changes the patient's lives. It's very impactful. They share a lot with us, how they felt before, the way they felt when they couldn't smile and eat what they would like versus, the way it changed their life when they can smile and be social and enjoy any food that they want.
Shady Springs Dental Care here in Shady Springs has completely changed my life with these dental implants. Their 2 doctors are absolutely amazing and they take care of absolutely anything you need.